Do you ever feel like investing is a fantastic idea, but then you stare at all the jargon and think, wait, what's going to cost me what? Especially when it comes to platforms like Wealthsimple Trade? You're not alone. Many people are drawn to the simplicity and accessibility of Wealthsimple Trade, only to get a little fuzzy on the exact fee structure. It's like being invited to a party where the dress code is smart casual, and you're left wondering if that means jeans and a t-shirt or a blazer and slacks. Understanding the fees, or lack thereof, on Wealthsimple Trade isn't just about saving a few dollars. It's about fully grasping how your investments grow, what impacts your returns, and ultimately, taking full control of your financial future. For too long, traditional investing has been shrouded in complexity, riddled with hidden fees, and often felt exclusive to those with large sums of money or a finance degree. Wealthsimple, in many ways, has been a disruptive force, aiming to democratize investing and make it accessible to everyone. Their commission-free claim is a huge part of their appeal, drawing in new investors eager to avoid the pitfalls of high trading costs. But is commission-free truly free? And if not, what are the costs? That's what we're diving into today. We're going to break down every potential fee, demystify the jargon, and equip you with the knowledge to invest confidently on Wealthsimple Trade, knowing exactly where your money is going. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate Wealthsimple Trade's fee landscape like a seasoned pro, spotting potential costs and understanding their impact on your portfolio. So, let's unravel the mystery of Wealthsimple Trade fees, shall we? First things first, let's address the elephant in the room, the commission-free promise. Wealthsimple Trade proudly advertises commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs. And it's true. When you buy or sell Canadian-listed stocks or ETFs on Wealthsimple Trade, you won't pay a commission to Wealthsimple. This is a significant departure from many traditional brokerages that charge a flat fee, say $5 or $10, every time you execute a trade. For active traders, or those just starting with smaller sums, these commissions can quickly eat into your returns. So, in this core aspect, Wealthsimple Trade genuinely delivers on its commission-free pledge. This is a massive win for investors, especially those employing a dollar-cost averaging strategy or looking to build a diversified portfolio with frequent, smaller contributions. Imagine if every $100 you invested in an ETF was instantly reduced to $90 because of a trading fee. It would significantly hinder your progress. Wealthsimple Trade eliminates that hurdle, allowing more of your money to work for you from day one. This freedom from commission fees encourages greater diversification and more frequent investing, which are key principles for long-term wealth building. It allows you to buy small chunks of various companies or ETFs without the constant worry of transaction costs eroding your principal. This is especially beneficial for young investors or those with limited capital who are just starting their investment journey. However, commission-free doesn't mean fee-free. There are other considerations, and these are where people often get confused. The most prominent fee you might encounter, especially if you're venturing beyond Canadian markets, is the currency exchange fee. If you want to buy US-listed stocks or ETFs on Wealthsimple Trade, you'll need US dollars. Wealthsimple facilitates this currency conversion, but they do charge a 1.5% currency exchange fee on both buying and selling. So, if you want to buy $100 worth of a US stock, you will pay $1.50 in exchange fees. And when you sell that stock and convert the US dollars back to Canadian dollars, you will pay another 1.5%. This 1.5% might sound small, but it can add up, especially for frequent traders or large transactions. It's crucial to factor this into your investment decisions for US equities. For instance, if you make a profit of 5% on a US stock, and then pay 3% in total currency exchange fees, 1.5% to buy, 1.5% to sell, your net profit is effectively reduced to 2%. This is why some investors who primarily deal with US equities might explore other platforms that offer different currency conversion options, or even hold US dollar accounts to minimize these costs. But for many, especially those who primarily invest in Canadian assets or occasionally dabble in US markets, the convenience and overall low cost of Wealthsimple Trade still outweigh this fee. It's a trade-off, and understanding that trade-off is key. Another potential cost to be aware of, although not directly a Wealthsimple fee, is the Electronic Communication Network (ECN) fee. These are very small fees charged by exchanges for order routing and execution. They are typically fractions of a cent per share and are so minuscule that Wealthsimple absorbs these costs for most transactions. You generally won't see them itemized on your statements. However, for extremely high-volume trading or very specific types of orders, theoretically, you might encounter them. But for the vast majority of individual investors using Wealthsimple Trade, ECN fees are essentially a non-issue. This further reinforces Wealthsimple's commitment to making the core trading experience as cost-effective as possible for its users. Now, let's talk about premium features and upgrades. Wealthsimple offers a premium subscription called Wealthsimple Plus. For a monthly fee, Wealthsimple Plus offers several benefits, including real-time market data, unlimited instant deposits, up to $5,000, and access to a wider selection of U.S.-listed stocks. For serious traders who need real-time data to make quick decisions, or those who frequently deposit larger sums and want immediate access to their funds, Wealthsimple Plus can be a valuable addition. However, if you're a long-term investor who buys and holds, and doesn't need instant access to thousands of dollars every day, then the monthly fee for Wealthsimple Plus might not be worth it. It's a question of whether the added features justify the recurring cost for your specific investing style. Think of it like a streaming service. Do you use it enough to justify the monthly subscription? Similarly, do the enhanced features of Wealthsimple Plus provide enough value to warrant the recurring fee in your investment strategy? Beyond the direct trading experience, it's also worth discussing some administrative fees, though these are typically rare for most users. For instance, if you need to transfer your account out of Wealthsimple Trade to another institution, there might be an outbound transfer fee. This is a standard practice across most brokerage firms, as there are administrative costs involved in moving an account. Similarly, if you were to request physical statements or specific tax documents that are otherwise available digitally, there might be a small fee. However, for the vast majority of users who manage their accounts digitally and keep their investments with Wealthsimple, these fees are unlikely to ever be incurred. The key takeaway here is that Wealthsimple's fee structure is designed to be highly transparent and primarily impacts users engaging in specific, less common actions or opting for premium services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.